In modern households, electronic devices are integrated into daily routines. Phones, laptops, power tools, and small appliances depend on internal or external battery systems to function. Over time, these batteries degrade, leading to reduced performance or complete loss of function. In many cases, when a device stops working, the assumption is that the entire unit has failed. As a result, replacement becomes the default action. This pattern contributes to a continuous cycle of disposal and repurchase, particularly in consumer electronics. Battery degradation is a predictable process. Rechargeable cells lose efficiency after repeated charge cycles, exposure to heat, or long periods of inactivity. Despite this, many devices remain structurally intact even after battery failure. This creates a gap between perceived failure and actual functionality. Easy Battery Fix is a digital instructional guide focused on battery reconditioning and maintenance procedures. It is delivered as a structured manual that outlines methods for handling different types of batteries used in everyday devices. The content is organized into sections based on battery categories, including automotive batteries, laptop battery packs, cordless tool batteries, and smaller rechargeable units. The guide presents procedural steps intended to restore or extend battery functionality. It also includes general maintenance techniques aimed at reducing degradation over time. The material is text-based and designed for independent use without the need for specialized equipment. The user accesses the guide through an online platform. Once inside, the material can be navigated according to battery type or specific use case. Each section outlines a sequence of steps. These steps typically involve preparing the battery, applying controlled charge and discharge cycles, and monitoring performance changes. In some cases, the process includes identifying battery condition, performing basic handling procedures, and repeating cycles over a defined period. The user is responsible for executing each step manually. The guide does not automate any part of the process. Instead, it functions as a reference document that outlines how to perform each action. The time required varies depending on the battery type and its condition. Some procedures may take hours, while others may extend across multiple cycles. No real-time support or guided interaction is required during execution, although the material is structured to be followed sequentially. This type of material aligns with individuals who prefer hands-on interaction with devices and components. It is relevant for users who are willing to perform manual procedures and follow written instructions. It may also be used by individuals interested in understanding how battery systems behave over time and how different usage patterns affect performance. The guide assumes a basic level of comfort with handling electronic components, but does not require formal technical training. Users seeking automated solutions or plug-and-play tools may find the format less aligned with their preferences. Compared to replacing batteries or purchasing new devices, this approach focuses on extending the usability of existing components. Alternative solutions in this space include professional repair services, battery replacement purchases, or device upgrades. These options typically involve external providers or additional costs. In contrast, this guide presents a self-directed approach. The user performs all procedures independently using instructions provided in the material. It does not introduce new hardware or proprietary tools. Instead, it relies on procedural knowledge and repeatable steps. Within the broader context of device maintenance, this type of guide represents an informational resource rather than a physical product or service. For those interested in reviewing the instructional material discussed in this video, a reference link is available in the description.